$5,000 in one sale. Now I haven't made the sale yet, but I'm gonna put the email here of the owner explaining to me that he would like to move forward, but he just needs some clarifications and would like to use his CRM, whatever, things that we could do. And even if he is not sellable, even if we cannot do stuff on his CRM and it's not gonna end up being a sale, it shows that there's product market fit. So it shows that 5K for the product that I'm selling is something interesting enough for people to want to move forward if something minor things change. And I'm just speechless and emotional and like so many things, because if this is real, not if this is real, but this is real. But I used to tell myself, if this is real, if I actually have PMF, I'm just gonna sell 10 units a month, and that's $50,000. Plus those that don't buy, they go for the monthly, and those that don't go for the monthly, they go for the community for $97 a month. It just shows me that I have product market fit, and all I have to do now is advertise. And just 1 year ago, I was making $0 at the exact, actually, so May, we are 1st of July. May, I made my first ever $350, it's raining. First $350 from my agency. I used to work with like residential kitchen and bathroom remodelers, and now I work with residential cleaners. And I made $350 in May, I made $0 in June, I made $0 in July, and I made $5K in August. And then I made $2, then I think it was like $1,800, then $3, then I think $500 in December, then $7,000 in January, and it's been going well since. I'm averaging like 5 to 7K per month. But for me to, like, if this is true, I just need to advertise. If I get 100 people to see my offer and 5 people say yes, it's $25,000. And like, I was really emotional earlier. I was like, all that time that I spent working, all that time that I spent trying to understand my niche, all that time that I spent understanding marketing, trying to understand psychology, what makes somebody buy, what makes someone find something interesting, learning new stuff, it didn't go down the drain. And it came at the best time, because this morning I had a shitty fucking day. So my mom does not believe in all this, and for her to believe, I probably need to make like 6 times what she's making. She's making some pretty good money just recently, and I was being compared to people that have a diploma, to people that made it with a diploma. And she was basically explaining to me how what I'm doing right now will not get me anywhere. And for this to happen today really happened at the best fucking time. Not that I needed proof, but sometimes people can instill doubt in you. Even though you don't doubt yourself, some doubt could be instilled in you within a few minutes of a conversation from someone that you care about, especially if it's heated. So, man, the 100K a month is coming. It's coming fucking soon. It's coming sooner than way sooner than I expected. Fuck. All right, fuck off.